Hello guys, excuse me. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'll be quickly covering Mana token and Decentraland, I believe. So yeah, it's a very good project, and I've been telling you that the ManaCon was bullish and it was going to go up to this level, this resistance, because it's been just respecting it. Okay, now you see in my previous videos it came up, went over here, and then it just took off exactly the way this is. Okay, and it hit this resistance line, and this is the support. Okay, so I wanna just explain you guys something about the in the daily chart. Okay, so a lot of people has been asking me, is this still I get in and all that, so I'll just quickly just give you my viewpoint on it. See, the price, come and draw this support line in your chart, like that. Okay, and if you go in the 4 hourly, you can see a little bit better, and just hide the EMA, and you can see what Mana is doing. I told you guys in my previous video, this is what Mana was doing. It came here, did this, okay, jumping on the support line. So I'm pretty sure if it's jumping, but see in this area, it's gonna come back to it, okay? Look, so now I don't care what the news is, what, even if they come out with a catalyst or something, I'm gonna go by what this chart is saying, what it's telling me, okay? I mean, until or unless Facebook comes out tomorrow and says that they have partnered with the Mana, but it until it doesn't do that, it's still gonna stay in this structure. If it comes out with a bigger news, okay, then what it's going to do is going to break this resistance and then create a new channel towards the upside. And then you will have some channel over here like that, if some crazy news comes out, but until or unless it doesn't do that, I'm still gonna be in this pattern. Okay, so now, sorry about that. So let's come back here. Okay, take this off, take this off. Okay, so Mana is gonna do play here. Mana is just gonna do this, and then eventually come here, and then reversal is gonna, it's gonna come back. Okay, uh, in what my viewpoint, this is what this pattern is telling me. Now look over here. Okay, bring out your EMAs. Okay, look over here. What's going on? Okay, see. In the previous run. This is a previous run that happened in April, May, April, and all. Okay, so price came down, resistance up, this support line. Okay, support line, support line, support line. So when do you lose this support? Okay, so came down, 20 moving average is helping out. Came down, 20 moving average. Okay, so what happens now? This 20 moving average creates this support system for these patterns. Okay, came up, loses the 20 moving average, support. Up, whenever it loses the 20 moving average and the support, there's your downtrend that starts. Okay, now let's come over here. 20 moving average, support. 20 moving average, I mean, price went up, support. Price went up, it might come back. Now, whenever you lose this trend line and this EMA, that's where your downtrend will start for Mana. Okay. And if you're thinking it's going to break this, it just might. But Facebook has to adopt or just partner with them or something to break that level, what I feel. Now I'll show you something else, okay? Look, if you can just take a Fibonacci and measure it, okay? Measure the move. What is it doing? Okay? From the bottom over here, look, this resistance, okay? First, I will show you the previous resistance, okay? Sorry about that, my mic just went off. So I'll show you the previous resistance. What did it do? Okay, so it came up, hit this resistance that it has going on for since it was born. Okay, so it hit it, came down. This support that I have explained to you guys came up, Fibonacci resistance at the 3 level, and then it tried to break out, but it couldn't do it because it had this years of resistance, and then it came down, okay, and then did something like this. And if you measure this move when it broke out, how many days did it consolidate for? It's a good 161 days before it had that next move. I would say about, about a half a year or less than half, 4 months maybe. So same thing goes over here. Look at this, so it's hitting the 4 level, okay? And then, it's gonna hit it, and this maybe just break it and go up. It might just go up to, let's see, go up to maybe about, this, might hit it again, $6.23. If it breaks, maybe it might go a little bit higher, but then it's gonna come back, and then eventually break this support because, these stocks, coins, they don't just stay here. They have to make a move. And when it's going to make a move, you're going to have another, big consolidation period. And I can just explain you why. Okay, take that off. This, this one, how many days did it consolidate for? 168 days over here. Okay, over here, how many days? About 147 days. So see, the average is about, how many days? 161 days. So yeah, I'm pretty confident now that whenever it goes, look, 189. So about 140, 50 days is going to be the average. And see, when the price comes here, uh, you know, you might just, if the price comes down, you might just find the support at the 55. So wherever the 55 is, you might just find the support. If 55 does something like, I'm sorry, if 55 moving average does something like this, like this, like this, wherever that 55 is, you're gonna find that support, because look over here, okay? Price came down 55, price came down 55, here 55, 55 moving average. So you'll find that support on the 55. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry this video is a little bit longer, but I was getting a lot of questions about mana. Okay, but if you like this kind of content and you think you got some new information and some insights, kindly like the video. It really helps my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and just comment below if you have any questions. Have a good day, guys.